Hi guys, in this video we are going to see if and else statements. So if we take an example, in India, the minimum age to vote in the general elections is 18. A person needs to be 18 or more than 18 to vote. So to check if a person is eligible to vote or not, we can create a code using if else statements. So for that, let's define A is equal to 17, which is the age of the person. Then to use if else, we type if and then the condition. And the condition is that A, that is the age of the person, should be more than or equal to 18. So we put a more than sign and a equal sign and write 18. Now, just after 18, we put a colon and then hit enter. Now, as you can see, the cursor is 4 spaces ahead than where it should be, and that is the syntax of writing if else. Do not change the cursor or your code will get an error. So now if a is equal or greater than 18, a person is eligible to vote. So we type print and you are eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. Now this was the if that person is equal or more than 18. Now if the person is not equal to 18, we hit a backspace and then type else and put a colon. Now here we do not write the condition that if a is smaller than 18, because we have set the condition in if that if a is greater or equal to 18, we print that you are eligible to vote. But if you are not more than 18, we will print you are not eligible to vote, and we do not need to write the condition that a is less than 18. So you are not eligible to vote. Now let's run the code. As you can see, we had put the age as 17, and the code says you are not eligible to vote, which is correct. Now if we change the age to 18 and run the code, or let's say 25, let's run the code. It says you are eligible to vote. So our code is working correctly. Now, if we want to check if a number is bigger than a certain number or not, we can say a is equal to 33, and then we want a number to be greater than 25, for example. So we say if, and the condition will be a is greater than 25, and then we put a colon, hit enter and print a double quotes, a is bigger than 25, and else hit a colon, enter and type print a is smaller than 25. Let's run the code. As you can see, a is bigger than 25 because we took a as 33. So these two examples are very common in if else. You can try more examples by yourself. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.